Hi everyone, it's Mary from roboticu.com, and today we're going to be learning about functions. But before that, we'll do a quick revision of the lesson we've learned so far. We've learned about variables. They're the boxes that you keep in the items. They're like boxes that you keep items in and then you put labels on. The labels should be meaningful, so it's easy for you to know what's stored in them. For example, you can have a variable named my name equals, quotes, Mary, or cat name equals, quotes, Flora, dog name equals, quotes, Chelsea. Okay? We also learned to accept inputs from users, using the input command and storing numbers and strings and variables. Today we're going to learn about functions. We'll also use functions to build some parts of the tic-tac-toe game, which you'll probably learn to do in later videos. You use functions when you need to repeat a set of code several times, instead of typing that code many times in your program. You put it all in a function, and you can then call that function anywhere in your code. Okay. Here we can see an example I'm going to use to show the efficiency of functions. So if I run this for you, it'll say, what is your name? That is Mary. But here you have to repeat it twice, and it's quite a lot to type again and again. So I'll show you a way to make it more efficient by using, surprise, surprise, functions. So, start with def. Greet. That's what we're going to call this function. Print. And then I'll just copy it out for you. In the name I need to put a colon, however, or else we'll get a syntax error. I'll make this level. We'll change this to name. Next, we'll go to name equals input. Bracket, what is your name? And then we put then we put question mark, because we like greet. Okay. Now, and then of course we need to run this first, but already if you see this, it's much faster than before when we don't have the functions. No, it works the exact same. Now, thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope it helped you to understand functions, and later on I'll show you how to make a tic-tac game using functions. Here is the example of it. It looks very complicated, especially from what we did before, which is relatively a lot simpler compared to this. However, when I explain it to you, it will look and sound a lot simpler than it looks. It will sound a lot simpler than it looks. Yeah. And here I'm using functions for tic-tac-toe. See you in the next video. Thank you.